Linear programming problem, illustration 3. A dietitian wishes to mix two types of foods in such a way that vitamin contents of the mixture contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 10 units of vitamin C. Food 1 contains 2 units per kg of vitamin A and 1 unit per kg of vitamin C. Food 2 contains 1 unit per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin C. It costs rupees 50 per kg to purchase food 1 and rupees 70 per kg to purchase food 2. Formulate this problem as a linear programming problem to minimize the cost of such a mixer. Solution. Let the mixer contain x kg of food 1 and y kg of food 2. Clearly, x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0, we make the following table from the given data. That is, your given resources, vitamin A, that is in units per kg, and vitamin C, that is units per kg. Food 1 and 2. 1 indicate x and y, 2 indicate y. So here vitamin A 2, 1 and 8. Requirement is given 8. For vitamin C, food 1, 1, 2, 2 and requirement is 10. And cost rupees per kg for food 1 is 50 and for food 2 is 70. Since the mixer must contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 10 units of vitamin C, we have the constraints 2x plus y greater than equal to 8 and x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. Total cost Z of purchasing x kg of food 1 and y kg of food 2 is Z, that is equal to 50x plus 70y. Hence, the mathematical formulation of the problem is minimize Z, that is equal to 50x plus 70y. First equation, subject to the constraints 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. Second equation, x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. Third equation, xy greater than equal to 0. Fourth equation. Let us graph the inequalities 2 to 4. To draw constraint 2x plus y greater than equal to 8, that is first equation, we treat as 2x plus y is equal to 8. When putting x is equal to 0 in the above equation, we have y, that is 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 8. Therefore, y is equal to 8. And when putting y is equal to 0 in the above equation, 2x plus 0 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So, by putting x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 8. And when putting y is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 4. Now to draw under constraint x plus 2y greater than equal to 10, that is second equation, we treat as x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now by putting x is equal to 0 in the above equation, 0 plus 2y is equal to 10, 2y is equal to 10, therefore y is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. And when putting y is equal to 0 in the above equation, x plus 2 into 0, that is equal to 10. So therefore x is equal to 10. So here by putting x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 5. And by putting y is equal to 0, we have x is equal to 10. Now here we can see that summary of 2x plus y, that is equal to 8. By putting x is equal to 0, y 8, and by putting y is equal to 0, we get 4. Same, we can see that x plus 2y is equal to 10. By putting x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 5. And by putting y is equal to 0, we get value x 10. So now we will draw a graph which indicate this blue shaded region, blue line, that is 2x plus y is equal to 8. because the above region is selected because here we can see that 2x plus y is greater than equal to 8. So and we can see that x4 and y 8, x4 and y 8. So here 4 x and at 8 y axis. Now another equation, x plus 2y, that is equal to 10. Again we can see that x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. So this above region has been selected, this one. So here y is equal to how much? 5 and x is how much? 10. So the selected area we have done. Now we can see that here this region is feasible region because it is greater than equal to, and the coordinates are 0, 8, 2, 4 and 10, 0. This coordinate will put in the z equation. So by putting in z, minimum z, that is equal to 50x plus 70y. So our coordinates are 0, 8, 2, 4 and 10, 0. So by putting 0, 8, we have value 560, and by putting 2, 4 in the above equation z, we have value 380, and putting corner point 10, 0 in the above equation, we have value 500. So here we can see that minimum value is 380 at point 24.